Alright, today before we head out for a ride, thought I'd better show you the bike and see what we're running here. So I've got a Kona processed 253, 153mm of travel on the back. We've got Mavic D-Max Sam Hill Special Edition wheels. Day of the Dead printed all through it. That's sick. And DHR2 on the back, double down, so we're going to swap that today out for an aggressor. XO cassette, a bit lighter, and then the Super Deluxe Ultimate coil with 500 pounder on it. Up front we've got a factory Fox 36, nice and supple, running 85 psi in that. Vorspring lift cap in there as well, 2 spaces, got 12 clicks of high and low speed compression, and 9 and 6 rebound. We've got Kodar brakes doing the stopping, and 200mm rotors front and back. Alright, so we'll fit this aggressor on and go out the back and ride a few fire roads and see how it goes. Alright, so we'll just fit it now while we wait. Yeah, well, that didn't work, did it? Might have to do it the old fashioned way. Alrighty, got the aggressor fitted, and right off the mark you can feel the difference in the rolling. It's easier to pedal. I had a DHR2 double down max grip on before, and it just turned the bike into a pig. It was good going down, but just normal riding, it was too heavy. Oh, yes. Yeah, I just noticed instantly that the bike rolls heaps better, more efficient. So I'm on the way to a fire road that I like to bomb. You get up to about 60k an hour, so I got me Garmin on the front there, measuring speed, so hopefully we can get that up near around the 60k an hour mark. Alright, we're at the top of the fire road. I'm going to pull into it, pedal flat out. Last time I did it, I think I was about 1 second off the comm, so we might even have a go at the KOM if we're lucky. Alright, I'm pretty tired by the time I get to the bottom, so I'll probably hit pause and go to the next one. Let's go. No brakes, none. Oops. I'll just stop it now until I get my breath back. Alright, I got my breath back now. I can head over to the next one. This one's shorter, but a hell of a lot steeper and more dangerous. It's very loose and a little bit off camber. I don't know how fast I went on that one. I couldn't read the Garmin. Hopefully look back in the footage and see. Alrighty, I'll turn this back on when we get to the top. Alrighty, we're at the top. This one's a bit different. It's a bit scary, but we're gonna pedal in pretty hard, or hard-ish. And down the bottom there's a right corner, a right sort of bendy turn. We might see if we can get it this time. I haven't got it before, so I've had to hit the anchors and pull up. So this one's a bit mad. Alright, let's have a go. Here we go. back. Oh shit! Fuck! Little bit of brakes. That's sick. Alrighty, hope we got a bit of high speed out there. The new Aggressor is just dialed. It's fast as fuck. So we'll see you on the next one. See you, eh? Back again, one more. Whoops, ouch. Don't need the gears.